guys, so we're here at BGC High Street kasi may bibilin kami and this is my outfit. So nakapag-parking na kami dito. So punta na lang kami sa Puma kasi doon kami may bibilhin. So guys, nandito na kami sa Uma Nota. So papunta na kami sa High Street. Ayan guys, hanapin kasi namin yung Puma. Dito na kami guys sa tapat ng Central Square here in Shangri-La, the Fort. So, hinahanap namin yung Puma, di namin mahanap. So guys, nakahanap kami ng hinahanap namin na speed cut. Meron silang yung classic, yung rubber shoes, and then yung ballet. And which is, ang hinahanap namin is itong ballet. This one, the red talaga. Meron silang black and white, black and pink. Tapos ito guys, this is more cute. I like this kasi favorite color ko talaga ang pink. And this one, oh, look at that. Ballet talaga siya. And ito, it's parang new ata to. Pero ito yung bibili namin. Meron pa sila ditong mga speed cut type. Pero it's not speed cut eh. Ito siya. It's H Street. Pero yung look niya parang, yung shape niya parang speed cut. Diba? Look that. So guys, ang tagal ko na talagang hindi na ulit nakapunta dito sa BGC. As in, like, parang, ang punta ka pa dito, last punta ka dito is last year. So, nakapunta ulit ako, guys. Kasi, madalas lang kami pumunta dito, gawa ng malayo rin. So, I think we're going to Zara kasi may titingnan din kami doon, which is Stitch collaboration. Collaboration siya, guys. And, dito na kami, tapat ng Jamba Juice. Parang I want Jamba. Jamba Juice. Pero, haba kasi ng pila. As in, kahit sa Alabang, sobrang haba ng pila. So, dito kami sa Harlan Coffee, yung new store here. Iba na talaga dito ngayon sa BGC. Very hot talaga. Ang init. Actually, maganda kasi dito pag gabi. Hindi mainit. So, guys, we're going to Zara kasi titingin kami ng cup for a gift. So guys, we're here na sa kids section sa Zara. Pero wala kami mahanap na Lilo and Stitch collaboration. Thank you. So guys, dito kami sa section ng perfumes. So guys, we're here at Arabica. For the menu, this is the menu. This is the pastries that they have. Meron silang mga collections. Tote bags, mga mugs, umbrella. For the price ng mga tote bags, this is the price. And this one for the cups. So guys, this is the Gentle Monster. So guys, we're here na sa Gentle Monster. Actually, this is my first time na makapasok here. Oh my gosh. So, let's find some glasses na very cutesy. This is cute. Look at that. And this one. Let's try this. Wow. Cute. This one cute. Let's try this one. Cute. It's pink yung lens na. So guys, we're here at Beyond the Vines. So let's see some bags here. Oh my gosh. This is cute. This is the bag. Oh, bagay siya. Cute na yun. Let's find something. Oh my god. Ang cute ng color nito. It's teal. This one. I like this one. Look at this. This one is cute. This is cute though. Let's see. Right? Ang cute. This one is cute. It has a keychain. So guys, we're done. Nakabili na kami sa Beyond the Vines ng red bag. And we're going to test room. So guys, we're going to parking na. And uuwi na kami. Kasi hapon na guys. So, it's traffic na. So guys, on the way na kami sa parking. Actually, dito na yon. So, very hinihingal na ako kasi sobrang layo ng nilalakad namin. And ang init pa dito sa BGC. So guys, dito na kami. Exit ng parking. Hey guys, so I'm gonna buy baked sushi for pasalubong kay Ma'am Shi. Here in Punto Cafe in Bento, here in Tanawan. Hey guys, so today we're here at Team Hortons in what? Vista Mall. So let's do a fit check. I think I'm gonna put it here. This is my fit. Yes. And we are waiting for our order. I ordered um I ordered frozen strawberry and they ordered matcha latte and iced matcha latte and I don't think so. Oh, there. So guys, I'm gonna try now. This is my order. Let's taste. Let's taste the chill. Frozen talaga. Tirang ko lang si Ma'am Shin. Tumobas. Okay lang. Para siyang strawberry lang talaga siya na parang frozen. Frozen talaga. So, titira na ako ng titira na ako guys. Madala ko siya sa house kasi di ko siya maubos. Pero masarap. Good siya. Okay siya. Pasabog siya guys. So guys, may wait lang kami dito. Medyo mainit dito sa Tim Hortons. Hindi na siya katulad ng dati kasi dati sobrang lamig dito pero ngayon uminit na siya.